Welcome back to Skibidi Tech. In this video I will share an app with you that can shows upload and download speed below the status bar on any iPhone or iPad. It's called TrollSpeed. I will put the download link in the description. You can install it via TrollStore. Once it's installed, then just open the app. Choose the settings according to your need and just hit Open HUD. As you can see, it started upload and download speed below the status bar. It's tested and expected to work on all iOS versions. If you want to turn it off, just simply open the TrollSpeed app and just hit Exit HUD. Then it will stop. In bottom settings option, you can choose size of display speed, incoming only, land speed, keep it in one place, etc. You can choose as you like it. In case you don't know how to install TrollStore, watch my previous video on it. I will put the video link in the description. Hope you like the video. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.